And this is the aftermath, people, of Snowmageddon 2011. We're supposed to get more today. My class is canceled. This is my driveway, and you can see the road. It's, like, jacked up. This is simply why I really want to move to California. Look at this. Every freaking where. Horde. The people across the street. Oh my god, Rum Hobbs' truck is all jacked up. He gotta get out of his truck to do something. See, you can see cars. Where people's SUVs are getting stuck. They're trying to snowplow. Cars that are buried. I can understand why the people of New York are frustrated as of right now. My heart goes out to you.
I don't know.
No, but look at the door.
I know.
How did that happen?
Is it off already?
Huh?
Some dryer?
Yeah. I'll get her that. Have choke off.
Your dryer's off.
My chef's uniform for school and jackets and shit. This is their... Oh, crap. This is their back door. Is there steps? As you can clearly see, they're covered in fucking snow. Look at this. Even our deck. You can't even see our backyard. There's mounds of snow everywhere. Air conditioner, the meter. This is why I'm moving to California, people. If anybody out there hears me, if you own a restaurant, work in Disneyland, or somewhere in Southern California, I'm asking for an internship, maybe sometime next year. I'm still working on it. I have to take other classes, but I need to join the ACF too. But, as you can tell, nightmare from hell. I might go out here and help my sister and film a bit of this, because it's just fucked up, everybody. So I totally feel for the people in New York. They had a bunch of crap thrown on them. Now they got more shit on them. Pardon my language, but this is a nightmare. I will record more of this outside when I go out there with her. Yes. You'll see more details. Thank you. And peace out for now. I'll record another video, like a few minutes.